How to buy POLYTRADER by Virtuals token. So this token came under the symbol of poly, P-O-L-Y. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. Now, after that, to be able to buy this token is available, as you can see, in the screener. If you don't have an account, you need to go and create one. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just click on here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For this, I will use Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet, select the base network from here, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token, but make sure to read that warning, read all of it. And if you are ready to go, just click on confirm. Now after that, click on this plus icon and go back to your wallet like that and find your token. So this is it, just click on it. And now after that, click on swap, switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, click on buy here, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy POLYTRADER by Virtuals token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.